Welcome to my weekend morning routine. So I am just obviously laying in bed and Sugar Baby's staring at me waiting for me to get up usually by this time because I love to sleep in on the weekends. Weekdays I do still sleep in. Like I'll wake up around like 9:30, 10 on the weekdays, and weekends it's like 11-ish. So first thing I do, look at how polite Sugar is, sitting down waiting for me. I'll usually invite him up, cuddle for a little bit, say good morning to him because I miss him. Also, I wake up really early around like 7:30 to take Sugar outside and also to feed him. So by this time he's already eaten, he's already gone outside and everything like that. And then I go right back to bed because it's way too early for me. And then I'll usually just chill on my phone at this point. You guys see my mouth moving because I'm using the voice text thingy to text my sister. So I'm always using the voice text thing. But yeah, I'm just usually chilling in bed. I tend to use my phone longer than I would like to admit I do, but now I am getting up, and on this day I was washing the bed sheets, which I normally always wash the bed sheets on the weekend. It's rare that I'll do it on a weekday. So yeah, I'm just, as you can see, my tan has stained the white bed sheets, which is totally normal. It happens after like a few days to a week or so, but it honestly comes right out in the wash and my sheets will be crisp white again. So first thing I do is I like to get into a robe. I don't know what it is. I like to do my skincare in a robe. I don't know. It's what I like. So at this point, I'm headed to the bathroom. I always open up the blinds as soon as I wake up in the bathroom. It's just something I love. I love doing my skincare with the bright light coming in, even though it's winter, there's not that much light. But now I'll just go ahead and put my hair up, usually in a bun or a ponytail. Today I'm doing a bun, twisting it around, and yeah. Brushing my teeth, putting on deodorant, all that shazam. I usually take a shower the night before. I'm like a nighttime shower person. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys shower in the morning or the night? So now I'm just doing a little quick skincare. I'm not doing my normal skincare routine because I know that I'm going to take a bath later and then I'm going to do my full actual skincare routine. So I'm just putting on this moisturizer with SPF. That way I can have something on my face, obviously. Then I'm always just using this little quick Swiffer to clean up the hairs on the floor because it always just comes off when I'm brushing my hair. And then I usually head down to the kitchen, fill up my water bottle. I literally am obsessed with water. I can't explain it, but it just is natural for me to like naturally drink 2 to 3 liters every day.
Did you just drink your water too? Did you just drink your water too?
Every time I go to fill up my water in the morning, this little guy also goes to drink his water.
You copy mama? Our little morning routine, get our water on.
So because I sleep in, it's usually kind of late at this point, so I will head into the pantry or whatever it is and I grab something to eat. Okay, lately I have been obsessed with this Magic Spoon cereal, you guys. It is absolutely incredible. This reminds me so much of my childhood because I used to love cereal so much, and as I grew up as an adult, obviously I wanted to make healthier decisions, so I kind of just stopped eating cereal altogether just because it is so full of sugar. But with Magic Spoon, it is more full of protein. Like there's 11 grams of protein in here, 0 grams of sugar, 3 grams of net carbs, gluten-free, grain-free, soy-free, wheat-free, naturally flavored. This specific flavor is my favorite. It tastes so delicious. Like you don't taste at all like you're eating a protein cereal, which I love because a lot of the times healthier options, they taste like the healthier option. They don't give you that same feel as like the other options. This literally reminds me of my childhood, but I know I'm getting a healthier option. They have other flavors too, blueberry, and then they have frosted, and then the cocoa flavor. So if you guys are interested in checking out Magic Spoon, you can head to magicspoon.com/Macedo and use the coupon code Macedo to get free shipping. So huge shout out to Magic Spoon for sponsoring today's morning routine. So now I will always put away the clean dishes. So I have this routine where every night before bed, I put the dishwasher going. That way when I wake up in the morning, I can put the clean dishes away and I can have an empty dishwasher throughout the day. It keeps my sink clear because then that way when I'm cooking and eating, all the dirty dishes can go right into the dishwasher and it keeps the kitchen clean and clear. So that's like my little routine. And I added this clip in because that same day I completely forgot to take my vitamins, and I only remembered at like 4 p.m. But I take my vitamins every single morning. And then I usually start laundry. I do my laundry on the weekend. It's something that I've just always done, whether it's a Saturday or a Sunday, that's what I will do. So I'm getting started on that, doing the bed sheets first. I also wanted to show you guys what I use. I love the Method Free and Clear, I think it's called. It's gonna pop up soon, but the Free and Clear, yeah, little pods. I really like these. They work really well, and I know that they are free and clear of like fragrances, dyes, all that. So I'll usually put 2 in because it's a bigger load. I normally put OxyClean White Revive to make my sheets a little extra white, but I ran out and I didn't have it on this day. So I don't know if this is something that you guys do, but it's something I've just always grown up doing. Like, I'm emptying out all of the dirty clothes and just putting it on the laundry room floor. That way I can put away the hampers. And yeah, I'll just keep the clothes on the floor, honestly, because I'm going to clean them in just like about an hour or two anyways. So I'm doing that. That way I can take the hampers up with me and put them back away where they belong. Then at this point, it is just time to relax. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, at this point in my routine, I'm either doing a workout or taking a bubble bath. And on this specific day, I opted for a bubble bath because I had already working out like 4 to 5 times in this specific week. So I was like, I think I need a little break. But I'm going to be honest with you, 80% of the time, I opt for a weekend morning workout because it just makes me feel really good. And I just love starting off my day with like that. I don't know, I just enjoy it. But today I opted for a bubble bath, and I love the Dr. Teal's. So good and so relaxing. Literally, as I'm watching this, I legit want to take a bubble bath. So relaxing. So I'll put some Epsom salt, put some foaming bubble bath. I usually use my hand to like shake the bottom of it and really make the bubbles, you know, come up more, but I was using my hand to hold the camera, so obviously I couldn't. Make sure I have a towel, and at this point I will just relax. I decided to do a face mask because I really just needed some hydration. The winter, I'm not gonna lie, has been making my skin a little drier than normal. I normally have oily skin, but in the winter I tend to get a little combo. So I'm using the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. It's so hydrating. Putting that on, and then yeah, just putting a bath bomb in. I'm obsessed with bath bombs. I know it's kind of excessive, but sometimes I'll literally use like 2 bath bombs. I will link my favorite ones in the description box. But the one I'm using, it's just like a generic one from the drugstore because I ran out of my Amazon ones that I love. But anyways, at this point, I will just relax and literally use this time to meditate. And once I'm done like relaxing and meditating, I will usually pop on a Netflix show on the iPad or go on my phone and just chill out. So at this point, I will do my full morning skincare. Vitamin C has been an absolute staple for me. Then I've been loving this In Key List caffeine eye cream. It glides on so easily. Like, you can see it's not even pulling my skin. And of course I'm being gentle, but I'm not even like over focusing on it. So I just love that eye cream. And then I'm putting on some moisturizer, don't forget your neck, and sunscreen. Major key, no matter if it's winter, summer, you need to protect your skin. You will thank yourself in 20 years when you look so young, because sunscreen really helps to prevent premature aging. Putting on some lip butter, and then I've been loving this Watermelon Glow Mist by Glow Recipe just to add a little extra hydration because my skin has been a little dry. I have a pimple, so I'm putting on this spot remover, which I love this spot remover, but man, this pimple has been stubborn. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know. Most of the time I'm relaxing on the weekends, so I'm either wearing leggings and a crew neck or just like pajamas, legit to relax. If I have plans, my weekend morning routine is completely different. I'll go right into getting ready for the day. But if I have no plans, I'm just chilling, wearing something super cozy. I always open up the blinds, give myself and the plants some sunlight, and I always water my plants every single weekend. It's like a routine that I have, and they really enjoy the routine as well, just being watered on a regular schedule. Before I did this, I used to over and under water it because I didn't have a schedule. So yeah, this is like a part of my routine now. Watering my fiddle leaf fig, which I underwatered previously, and that's why you can see the leaves are not that healthy. And then watering this Ficus Green Island. I love this one, but it always sheds every winter. You can see the leaves are falling like crazy, but it will come back in the spring. Misting the leaves to give them some humidity because they love humidity. And that is pretty much it for my morning routine. By this time, it's already like 1 p.m. So hopefully you guys enjoyed checking out my morning routine, and I will see you in my next video.